Hi, welcome to Amy's Reading Nook. I want to show you a new release from fall of 2022. This is the Dinosaur with the Noisy Snore, and it is part of the Usborne picture book series. It is a thick padded cover book, so it is a hardcover, but it is a padded one. And within this story, it's really fun because Rory has a terrible snore, and he keeps all of his neighbors awake at night. But he doesn't want to bother them. He feels bad about it. So he goes somewhere on the edge of town where they won't hear him. But it actually ends up benefiting the town. And they discover why the thieves were deterred from stealing their food. It's a great story, a fun bedtime story all about snoring, but also helping your friends. And this hardback book is available for $9.99.